Hello! If you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without any books or classroom time, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
And I'm Blaine, and we're your hosts of the Easy Go Japanese channel, where you'll learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so you can start speaking Japanese right now.
In this episode, we'd like to introduce to you the phrase, "Is this a new car?" or "Is this your new car?" The word for car, along with some everyday phrases. The word for car is kuruma. Kuruma, that's the word for car. One of the first things you'll probably want to tell your friends is, "I have a new car." If so, you'd say, "Watashi wa atarashi kuruma o motte imasu." Watashi wa atarashi kuruma o motte imasu, which means, I have a new car.
Here's a way to ask your friend if they have a new car. You would say, これは新しい車ですか? これは新しい車ですか? Which means, is this a new car?
Just a quick reminder here, the things we say in English or here in the States do not always have a direct translation in Japanese. So we may say only a few words to describe something or to ask for something, while in Japanese, it may be shorter or longer, depending.
If you want to tell your friend that you've been thinking about getting a new car, you could say something like, 新しい車が欲しい. 新しい車が欲しい, which means, I want a new car. 欲しい means want when referring to nouns. We'll explain all that in a different lesson though.
Here's a reason you may want to tell your friends that you want a new car. Your car is old. You could say to your friend, "Watashi no kuruma wa furui desu." Watashi no kuruma wa furui desu, which means, my car is old. Furu means old.
Alright then, that's going to wrap it up for this episode on learning how to say and use the word car in Japanese. Well, what did you think of today's episode? Please tell us in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you.
If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and then the bell so that you don't miss a single episode.
And if you're a returning subscriber, we want to thank you for supporting us and this channel.
Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.
Mata ne.
Matane.